Uber Eats and DoorDash. Both let drivers earn money by delivering food using their own vehicles. But the better option depends on your location, delivery demand, and vehicle costs. By the end, you'll know how Uber Eats compares with DoorDash, what factors actually matter, and how to decide which platform fits your situation in 2026. The biggest difference between delivery apps is not just the brand name. It is how many opportunities you can access in your area, and how much you keep after expenses. Uber Eats connects drivers with customers ordering food and other eligible items through the Uber Eats platform. Drivers use their own vehicles, choose when they work, and complete deliveries through the app. DoorDash works in a similar way by connecting customers with independent delivery drivers called dashers. Both platforms offer flexibility because drivers can choose when they want to deliver instead of following a fixed schedule. The important comparison is your real earnings after costs. A delivery payment is not your final profit. Gas, maintenance, insurance, and vehicle depreciation all affect how much money you actually keep. A driver who completes more deliveries but spends more on vehicle costs may have a different result than someone who completes fewer deliveries with lower expenses. Your market matters more than online comparisons. One driver may find Uber Eats works better because there are more available orders in their area. Another driver may prefer DoorDash because they receive more opportunities where they live. The best way to compare them is to test both. Track your earnings from each app, the miles driven, fuel expenses, and total hours worked. After comparing your own numbers, you can see which platform gives you the better return. The schedule you choose also affects results. Delivery demand can change depending on the time of day, local restaurants, and customer ordering patterns. Your vehicle is another major factor. A fuel-efficient vehicle can reduce operating costs, while a more expensive vehicle to run can reduce your take-home earnings. Uber Eats may be the better choice for some drivers, while DoorDash may work better for others. There is no universal winner because the results depend on your city, your availability, and your expenses. The main points are simple. Uber Eats and DoorDash both provide flexible delivery work. Your location affects which app performs better, and tracking your own earnings is the only reliable way to compare them. Your next step is to run both apps for a short test period and compare your actual profit after expenses. If this helped you understand whether Uber Eats is better than DoorDash in 2026, like the video and subscribe for more practical side gig comparisons.